Hey guys, so I was at the Dub car show here in Miami, and walking around I saw this car, and it's basically a Dodge Magnum. Um, yeah, I was really amazed. It is actually a Harry Potter themed custom painted car. As you can see, it has Harry, Ron, Hermione on this side, and yeah, the characters aren't exactly as what Dan, Emma, and Rupert look like, but it's sure close enough to it. So take a look at the car. I have pictures of the close-ups and stuff like that coming up after these video clips. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
I wanna make the other kids see. Tonight we're gonna tough it, we're not gonna huff a puff it. Grab a butterbeer and come with me.
Green and silver's taking all sorts, the coolest kids at Hogwarts.
Whatever.
Getting crazy.
That's right.
It's a Slytherin night! Tonight! You and me, broomstick it into the world!
Tonight, and we're pulling out of wands with a swish and a whirl.
We may not really snake it. Watch out, cause we'll fake it.
It's alright. Partying hard on a Slytherin night.
I woke up with a dark tattoo. Not sure how I got it, but it looks freaking awesome.
And tonight was pretty fun for me. I guess it's just Slytherin party.
Whatever.
Getting crazy.
That's right.
It's a Slytherin night! Tonight!